So I'm here in Winchester, Virginia, and I'm gonna show you the problem we're solving. Look at all these files and these file cabinets. There's files on top of the file cabinets. There's boxes with files, more boxes with files on top of the cabinets, full of files, piles of files. This is enough to make you go nuts. And what we do is we provide dealerships like this one, this scanning unit that scans 60 pages a minute very easily, front and back, uses OCR and barcode technology to scan the document. Once it's scanned, we pick up the RO number. You can then view the contents of the RO. Super easy, can be accessed by anyone in the dealership that has the viewer. If your dealership has this craziness, give us a call. Dealer Scanning.